Welcome to Delta Vein Care. We are the area's only totally office-based practice dedicated to the comprehensive diagnosis and treatment of all types of vein disorders, including varicose veins and spider veins. Whether you are seeking help with unsightly spider veins or you suffer from painful varicose veins, you can be confident that we understand your concerns. A satisfied patient, Geraldine Stanley, explained,
I knew I had to do something. I was in pain. The results of my surgery are nothing short of a miracle. Ladies, don't put it off.
Educated entirely in the LSU system, Dr. Larry Barr has been practicing general, vascular, and thoracic surgery in Monroe since 1979. He is board certified with the American Board of Surgery, a fellow of the American College of Surgery, and is a member of the American Society of Breast Surgeons and the American College of Phlebology.
My name is Dr. Larry Barr, and welcome to Delta Vein Care. Why all the fuss over treatment of venous disease these days? It's estimated that over 1/3 of the population of the United States suffers from significant venous disease. Actually, time lost from work is more from venous problems than from arterial problems. Last year alone, there were 4.6 million workdays lost in the United States alone from venous disease. Venous problems increase in severity and in frequency with age.
Dr. Barr and the Delta Vein Care staff are dedicated to the art and science of phlebology and place an emphasis on the eradication of varicose veins, spider veins, and other vein disorders and symptoms, as well as achieving superior aesthetic results. Our state-of-the-art facility on Louisville Avenue was designed with those goals in mind. Male or female, if you are suffering from painful and unsightly veins, you are not alone. Here's what West Monroe insurance agent Steve Best had to say.
I was able to start using my treadmill again just 2 weeks after my surgery. I'm up to 2 miles now and no pain.
Statistics show that in the 40 to 49 age group, more than 41% of women and 24% of men, and in the 60 to 69 age group, more than 72% of women and 43% of men suffer from significant vein problems and are candidates for our services.
There really is no reason to wait. Our advanced vein treatments are not painful, and if you delay, things will just get worse over time. Come in and see the vein care experts at Delta Vein Care. Here's Brenda Wilson's success story.
My varicose veins were so big and painful that I had to stop playing tennis. Since the surgery, my legs feel and look better every day, and I'm playing tennis again.
Our specially trained professional staff provides complete, comprehensive care for men and women with all types of vein disorders. Here's what Peggy Duchesne had to say about her successful procedure.
I first started noticing some pain about a year before my surgery, and the pain got progressively worse. One of my coworkers recommended Dr. Barr. I had both my legs worked on at the same time. My right leg is wonderful, and my left leg is feeling better by the day. I had the procedures at his office. It was easier than going to a big facility.
We perform procedures that are minimally invasive and require little or no recovery. Our office and medical facility is conveniently located in the heart of Midtown Monroe, Louisiana, at 1655 Louisville Avenue in the OIB Plaza. At Delta Vein Care, we offer services for medically necessary and cosmetic problems. Currently, treatment options include sclerotherapy, thermal ablation, phlebectomy, high ligation, and compression therapy. These techniques have essentially rendered vein stripping obsolete in its previous form.
After years of study and research, Dr. Larry Barr selected his preferred procedures and equipment options for his practice.
Each treatment option in venous disease certainly has its place. However, after training at the facility with the greatest experience in the United States with this problem, it became obvious to me that best outcomes occurred with the CoolTouch 1320 nanometer laser. The success rates approach 98%, and when combined with phlebectomy, sclerotherapy, and compression therapy, patient satisfaction was unequaled.
All initial consultation, ultrasound screening, and vein procedures are performed at Delta Vein Care by Dr. Barr. Most procedures take just over an hour, and you will be able to return to normal activity within 48 hours. In most cases, pain in the post-operative period can be managed with ibuprofen or mild analgesics. Here's what bus driver Andre Howell says about this procedure.
After my vein surgery, I'm working out again, getting into shape. I like to ride a stationary bike and had to give that up before because my legs would swell. Pushing the pedals on a school bus did take a toll on my legs, but now I can drive my bus pain-free.
Vein care treatment and procedures are covered by most insurance plans, including Medicare, except in cases where it is strictly for cosmetic purposes.
We invite you to visit Delta Vein Care for a consultation to assist you in making the decision to eliminate painful and unsightly veins and live your life to its fullest. Here's patient Linda Robinson's enthusiastic response to her procedure.
I am tickled to death about the final result. Now I'm having some cosmetic spider veins treated, just so now I can have Marilyn Monroe legs. My ankles were blue and I was always worried about how they looked. Now I can be proud of my legs and they don't hurt.
Get your legs healthy and get them out in public again. Delta Vein Care, 318-812-8346.